Welcome back to Product Critique, your ultimate guide to the latest gadgets and gizmos. Today, we're diving into the world of surveillance with what we believe is the best wearable spy camera on the market. Introducing the Home Wi-Fi Security Camera Wireless Indoor-Outdoor Body Camera by GDENZL. Packed with features, this little device is a powerhouse in the realm of covert surveillance. Whether you're keeping an eye on your home, your pets, or your little ones, this camera has got you covered. Its compact size makes it perfect for discreet placement anywhere you need it. And don't let low light conditions stop you from seeing what's happening. With its night vision feature, this camera ensures that you have clear visibility even in the darkest of environments. Worried about intruders? Fear not. This camera comes equipped with intelligent motion detection, sending alerts straight to your phone when activity is detected. Setting up this camera is a breeze. With no built-in battery, simply connect it to a power source, sync it with your Wi-Fi, and you're ready to start monitoring. You can monitor your camera feed remotely from anywhere in the world using the dedicated app on your smartphone. With its versatility, ease of use, and advanced features, the Home Wi-Fi Security Camera Wireless Indoor-Outdoor Body Camera is truly the best wearable spy camera you can get your hands on. Don't settle for anything less when it comes to your security. That's all for today's review. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth product analyses. Until next time, stay safe and stay informed.